Welcome everyone to another episode of Real Outdoors. Today we are on a very familiar lake. We're here, I think it was 2 videos ago, and it's where I caught a big bass and a few nice pike. So yeah, it's a catch and release only lake for pike and bass. It's a breezy one out today. Gonna be doing something a little unorthodox, and that is jigging for pike and bass, as well as having tip ups out for them. So yeah, it should be good, to be honest. I'm trying a new spot. It's just kind of more of a weedy bay as opposed to that, which is just, I don't know, it's not very weedy. I'm hoping it should be good. Stay tuned, you guys will find out. Here we go, guys. Got not a massive mark on me, but appears to be okay. Seems to be chasing it up. Oh, I just got bit. Alright guys, well, I folded. I'm using a much smaller spoon on a different rod because I do want to find out what these fish are. Oh, Jesus. Dad. Okay. Wrong rod, guys. A big fish. Whatever this is, guys. Using the wrong rod for the job. Just trying to catch these little bluegill. But hey, now I know that there's some decent fish in here, so, or around this area. I was just thinking about, Jesus, just thinking about how I'm gonna give it an hour. If I don't catch a fish, then we're moving. But clearly I'm catching a fish right now, and it feels pretty good. So, not a super big pike. I'm assuming it's a pike just by these runs here, but it could get bigger, I guess. We'll see. This is 3-pound line, so my drag is set pretty loose. Not like super loose though. Oh yeah. Just let buddy calm down. Yep. Dad. Look. Yep. Right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. That's why I didn't get snapped off. Just a little, I don't know, 22 maybe? Maybe 24. Yeah. A little slime ball. Oh, Jesus. Well, I know they're here now, so that's cool. And I know those are little bluegill then, probably. Well, guys, confirmed what these are down here. Probably why they're so aggressive. Should have assumed that, to be honest. Should have known. Bluegills ain't that aggressive, but little perch, still a good food source for a pike, so. See a hoss. Here we go, guys. I got a good mark on me. Really nice mark. There we go. Oh no! Dad, I just had another one. That was a nice one too. What do I have here? Well, guys, just just caught this really nice bass here. Yeah. Probably 3 pounds, maybe. Real nice guy. Ate it on the drop down. So let's just look. So we'll give him away. Dad, you ready? Here you guys. Built a live well. Just to test it out. We're gonna put him in it. So I can grab the scale. Oh. It's alright. Not your home. Yeah. Not your home, buddy. My guess is 3.5. Let's see. 3.32. So it's pretty close. Nice. Beautiful largemouth. That's why we're out here, baby. Fish like this here. There he goes. Here we go, guys. Might be a perch, but it looks like a decent mark, so. There we go. Just a jumbo. Dad. Little jumbo perch. Yep. Look at that really pregnant female. Jeez. Luckily for Buddy, we're not keeping today. Otherwise, he's a pretty good eater perch. I'm not gonna lie. Nice release. Padre's got a big one. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Sweet. That should be a fun fight. How long have you had it on for?
Just now.
Yeah.
Give him time.
No, I'm gonna move ice. Definitely bigger than mine. Yep. Yeah. Padre's hooked up with a big one. Let's see. Fighting it on 3-pound line. Probably a 5-pound fish. Might be a monster, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, Dad. Dad, that is... Oh, that's a bass. That, oh my gosh.
All right,
let's get him to the live well. All right, guys. Getting this beauty in the live well. Alright, She's good to go. All right, guys. Luckily, I brought a scale. I knew something like this was very feasible. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Official weight. 4.76 pounds. Well guys, that about wraps up the video. Yeah, I'll catch you next time.